It's Friday, no, it's Sunday the 6th of July, day 15. It's after the 3:30 feeding. What's the matter? They're always rammy after. That's Blue Boy being rammy. Oh my God, look at the neck on yellow girl, on pink girl. Big yawn. That's Yellow Boy. Red Boy sacked. I think that's Black Girl. Tough to pick up the dark brindles. And that is White Girl. Come on, White Girl. You can make it. You can do it. They're like, they walk crawl. They can walk. They're getting there. Still keeping the lights dim. Everybody's like, oh my God, he just banged your head. You banged your head. Everybody's, you are a whiner. So you are a whiner. Little pink girl. Yeah, Blue Boy, you're a whiner too. Two mama's boys. Oh, there goes Yellow. He's down for the count. Look at you two. Are you two happy? No. Everybody's doing really good. Just got done bottle feeding and nursing. Another one in the books.